Brian, can I give you money and you write me a check so I can order something from this Abercrombie and Fitch catalog?
What do you want to order? Oh, wait, let me guess. Him.
He got you, Stewie.
Well, if it were you would take the magazine and you'd put it on the floor and pee on it because you're a dog and you're stupid and you have a weird toenail halfway up your elbow.
Nice comeback.
Jeez, that one was all over the place. I should have been quicker than that. I should have said, really? Why would I order your ex-boyfriend? And then I go like this.